Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. We are going to discuss circles here. What is a circle? First of all, know the definition of circle. The definition can be written as the locus of a point in which the plane, this is a plane, right? This is a fixed point. The locus of a point in the plane such that its distance from a fixed point. So here a distance is covered with a fixed point, right? The constant distance is making a path and it making a locus of a fixed point that we can call as circle. So the fixed point can be written as minus g comma minus f. This is the center of the circle and the fixed distance is called the radius of the circle. We can call this as radius and this fixed point is called as the center of the circle. Okay, with center 0 comma 0 and radius r, the equation of circle can be written as the equation of circle is x square plus y square is equals to r square. This is the equation of this circle whenever the center is located at origin 0 comma 0 and the radius is r. Okay, yeah, if the center is shifted to h comma k, suppose any numbers h comma k and the radius is r, then the equation of the circle is we can write this as x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equals to r square, right? This is a point, which is making a locus. So we don't know the point, so we can consider this as x comma y, and this is the radius and this is the center. If the double of radius can be called as diameter d, right? These are the extremities of diameter, right? A and B are the extremities of diameter of this circle. Yeah, so from this center C is minus g comma minus f and radius can be written as, we can find the radius with the center square root g square plus f square minus c. Okay, what is c here? First of all, you have to know the equation of this circle in general form. General form for circle is, we can notate this as s x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equals to 0. Okay, this is the general form of the circle where g and f, g and minus f are the center of this circle and r is the radius. With center we can find radius g square plus f square minus c under root. So this is the general form. Yeah, we already know this is a circle, right? This is the center and this is the radius. This total one is diameter. We can call these a and b are extremities of the diameter of the circle, right? Whenever we know, suppose consider a x1 y1, b x2 y2, as extremities of the diameter a b. Then the equation of the circle, whenever we know the extremities of the diameter of the circle, the equation can be written as x minus x1 into x minus x2 plus y minus y1 into y minus y2 is equals to 0. This is the equation of the circle whenever we know a and b are the extremities of the diameter. Okay, we know general form and when center at c 0 comma 0 and center at h comma k, and also the diameter whenever diameter extremities of the diameter is given, the equation of the circle we know. So just find out some problems, find the solutions for some problems. We will let you know, right? Here the question is given as find the center and radius of the circle x square plus y square plus 6x plus 8y minus 96 is equals to 0. First of all, you have to write the given equation is the given circle equation is x square plus y square plus 6x plus 8y minus 96 is equals to 0. Okay, this is the circle and this one is the center. We have to find this center and this radius. Suppose consider this as a P. Compare this equation with compare with the basic form x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equals to 0, right? We get here 2g is 6, right? 2g is equals to 6. We can write g is equals to 3 and 2f is 8. 2f is equals to 8, f is equals to 4. When g and f, we know g and f, so we can write center, right? Center. What is center? C minus g comma minus f, that is center is g value is 3, so minus 3 and minus 4. Minus 3 and minus 4 is the center for this equation. And whenever we compare this one, c is equals to minus 96. We know GFC, so we can find out the radius, that is the formula g square plus f square minus c. So r is equals to, what is g square? 3 square. 3 square is 9 plus f square is 4 square, that means 16. Here minus of minus, that means plus 96. R is equals to square root, we get 121. So R is 11. In this way we are going to find the center and radius of the given circle. First of all, you have to compare the given circle with the general form of the circle, so we can find center and the radius. Let's see another one more problem. The second problem is, if the circle x square plus y square plus ax plus by minus 12 is equals to 0 has the center at 2 comma 3. So he has given the center for the circle. So consider this as a circle. This is the center, right? What is center here? 2 comma 3. And this one is the radius. Find the a comma b. That means we have to find this value and the radius of the circle. So we have to find these values. How can we solve this problem? First of all, the given equation is x square plus y square plus ax plus by minus 12 is equals to 0. What is the first step here? Compare the given equation. Compare the equation with the general form, right? X square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equals to 0. After comparing, 2g is equals to a and 2f is equals to b. So g can be written as a by 2 and f can be written as b by 2. So center, what is the center? Minus g comma minus f, that means center is minus a by 2 comma minus b by 2. But the center is given. Center is given in the equation only. Center is given in the question only. That means 2 comma 3. So we have to equate this one with this. So minus a by 2 is equals to, what is the first coordinate here? 2. And minus b by 2 is equals to 3. Minus a here, minus a is equals to 4, a is equals to minus 4, and as well as minus b is equals to 6, b is equals to minus 6, right? So we know the values of A and B. Now we have to find the radius of the circle. We know minus G comma minus F and C. What is the C here? C is minus 12. Whenever you know G, F, C, we can find radius of the equation very easily with this form. G square plus F square minus C. R is equals to, what is G here? G is 2, sorry, A by 2, right? A by 2. That means A square by 4 plus B square by 4 minus of minus is plus 12. So R is equals to, we know the value of A, minus 4 square is 16. 16 by 4 plus 36 by 4 plus 12. After solving this one, we get square root 4 plus 9 plus 12. Total value is 25, root 25 is 5. So the radius is 5 and the center is minus A by 2 comma minus B by 2. That means 2 comma 3. A value is minus 4, B value is minus 6. Okay. Next we solve the diameter problems here. We already know the formula for diameters whenever the extremities of the diameters are given. We will see the question here. Have a look at this problem. The question is given as, find the equation of the circle having minus 4 comma 3 and 3 comma minus 4 as ends of the diameter. He has given the ends of the diameter. So consider this as a circle. This is the center and this one is the diameter, right? D. He has given the ends of the diameter. That means consider this one as A and this one as B. He has given minus 4 comma 3. This is one end and another end is 3 comma minus 4. So let A is minus 4 comma 3. Consider this minus 4 comma 3 as x1 y1 and B is 3 comma minus 4 and consider this 3 comma minus 4 as x2 and y2. We know the equation of the circle with ends of the diameter. So what is the equation of the circle when ends of the diameters are given? X minus x1 into x minus x2 plus y minus y1 into y minus y2 is equals to 0. Substitute the values of x1 y1 x2 y2 in this equation. X minus x1 value is minus 4, that means x plus 4. Next x minus 3, x2 value is 3 plus y minus y1 value is 3 and y minus y2 value is minus 4, that means it will become plus 4 is equals to 0. Now multiply this one, x square minus 3x plus 4x minus 12 plus y square plus 4y minus 3y minus 12 is equals to 0. We get, after solving, x square plus y square here plus x plus y minus 24 is equals to 0. This is the way to solve this problem, right? We are going to solve more of the problems in the next videos. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my channel if not done yet and share with your friends for more videos. Like this video, give a big thumbs up. Thanks for watching. I will meet you in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.